Hello, my name is Daniel Schutte. I am one of the tech display specialists here at Balluff Americas. I've been with Balluff almost 2 years now. Everything I do here on a daily basis is, I do know what to expect, but I also don't know what to expect. So the idea that I get to learn, do new projects, I really do enjoy tech displays, and I really enjoy what I do here. As a tech display specialist, I design and create many of the demos you may have seen. We use our demos to showcase the numerous functionalities and selection our products have. It starts with my manager, and actually not just with him. He works with other people like trade show specialist side, and they give a lot of input on what new demos we're looking to make, which would either be new product to show off or a specific group, which one I did, which is a measurement demo. And so I was tasked to do a design with it and figure out how I'm going to make this demo work with input from other people. They do a lot for you. Just as an individual, they really care about you. I really feel a part of this company. I just want to give a lot of thanks to actually my managers. They really helped me do a lot of learning, and they're always there for me. And so not even just my managers, but my lead man, to all the other people that have a lot of fun with me and make my experience here really happy and enjoyable on a daily basis. My name is Daniel Schutte. I'm a part of Balluff, and I help innovate automation.